View Studio allows you to add NDI feeds to your View Studio library. Let's take a look. To add the NDI feed, click the Add Media button and switch to NDI. The system will detect available feeds in the drop-down list. Select the feed and click Add NDI Source to add it to your library. Adjustments to the feed content update in real time on the display. NDI feeds interact with your LED wall like any other content, allowing adjustments to color, blur, transform, and other settings through the remote. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.